Hi everybody, this is just a quick trading update on Tesla. The last two trading days, so yesterday, Monday and Friday, was quite calm. There was no material news, and you can also see this in the trading value. On Friday, only 31 billion was traded, even though this was the monthly option expiration date. Yesterday, Monday, saw only 25 billion in trading value. Just to emphasize, this is not the number of shares, this is dollar value traded. In my view, this is a much better metric than just a share count. Also, some other key market metrics like yields on the 10-year, they've been quite steady at 4.4%. Then also oil continues to be stuck in the same range, around $67-68 per barrel. You can see it also on the key market indices. The S&P 500 on Friday was basically flat. On Monday, yesterday, and was also basically flat. And also the tech index, the Nasdaq, flat on Friday and just a tiny bit up on yesterday. I think the primary reason was really that there was really no material news, not Tesla specific, not market specific. There was also a lack of drama coming out of the White House or any other major news the market was trying to price in. So just a quick look, last week Tesla did well, was up 5.1%. There was a lot of strong positive news flow for Tesla. There was the news breaking that Tesla might be investing in xAI, and obviously a lot of investors would look at this favorably. Tesla expanded the ride-hailing network, launched the Model Y L in China, which is a slightly longer version of the Model Y in a 6-seat configuration, and industry leaks occurred in China about a longer range Model 3. All this then helped the stock to recover everything that was lost after the second Elon-Trump feud. So big picture, not much going on right now, which I think is a good thing. It might also be a kind of the calm before the storm, because at this point we're only 2 sessions away from Tesla releasing Q2 numbers. My estimate is pretty much in line with consensus. So in terms of financials, I don't expect any surprises. Just as a little side note, I posted on X a global cash flow overview of EV companies. Elon did like that post, and maybe I'm reading too much into it, but if Tesla was to report a bad Q2 in terms of free cash flow, which is the key metric, not sure Elon would have liked that post. Again, maybe I'm reading too much into that, but just as a little note. My expectation for Wednesday is there won't be any major sell-off. There's also unlikely a huge rally unless Elon announces something material, which I believe is unlikely. So my base case right now, based on current information, is that the stock will likely continue for maybe a few months trading more sideways. Before, after the summer break, we should see the stock trading into a higher level. Since at that point, the 2026 financial year comes more into view, and in particular, the Cybercab. Also, the fourth quarter is always the strongest automotive quarter, primarily driven by China, and it also tends to help the stock. In addition, of course, and that's the most important thing, the AI momentum is unlikely to weaken. It's only going to get stronger, and we are getting closer and closer to a point where Tesla will be releasing another version of Optimus. And of course, that version will again be a lot better than the old version, which was already highly impressive. And this yet again will drive investor sentiment. Overall, I would recommend to investors to not to obsess too much about the auto business. It's still important financially, but the Tesla story has long moved on to the AI future, as I stated many times before. But I think it's worth repeating that to never forget it. Otherwise, you might be too cautious in building a position. But of course, we are talking about Tesla here and Elon, and therefore it's never going to be boring. So be prepared for significant volatility to the up and downside. But the long-term investment case is robust and intact. That's the end of this little update, but please let me know if you like this kind of format. It's the first time that I do this daily update in video form. Thanks, see you in the next one, bye.